Good morning children. Today we are going to learn chapter 11 decimals. A concept of a decimal. What are decimals? Decimals are special fractions. Deci means 10. They are fractions with denominators 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. For example, 3 by 10, 4, 13 by 100, 83 by 1000. Decimal numbers have two parts, a whole number part and a fractional part. The two parts, whole number and decimal parts, are separated by a point. That point, call it as decimal point. For example, here 1732.514. This 514 is a decimal part and this 1732 is a whole number, and this we call it as decimal point. When a proper fraction is changed into a decimal, the whole number part is 0, since a proper fraction is always less than 1. How do we place a decimal in a place value house? Let us observe and learn. Consider the place values of the following whole numbers. Here they have given the numbers like 7135, 2156, 3504, 5189. In every number there is a 5 with some positions, that is like thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Now we shall see in first number 7135. The place value of 5 is in 5 ones, that is 5. See, here they have given 5. Now in the second number 2156, the place value of 5 is 5 tens, that is equal to 50. In third number 3504, the place value of 5 is 5 hundreds, that equal to 500. In the fourth number 5189, the place value of 5 is 5 thousands, that equal to 5000. So what we observed here, that as we move from ones to thousands, right to left, from right to left, the place value of each digit increases 10 times. Now similarly, observe the place values of the following. Here they have given numbers like 1234, 5126, 2813, 3621. Now thousands, hundreds, tens and ones places. Now first number 1234. In every given number 1 is there with their own positions, like thousands place, hundreds place, tens place and ones place. Now we shall see the first number 1234. See here, the place value of 1 is in 1000. So we have written as 1000. Able to see? 1000. Now the second number is 5126. The place value of 1 is 100. See here in hundreds position, that is 100. Now 100 is equal to, they have multiplied like 1000 into 1 by 10. Now the place value for the third number 2813, they have written the place value of 1 is in 1 tens. That means 10 is equal to 100 into 1 by 10. Now in the last number 3621, the place value of 1 is in ones. That means 1 is equal to 10 into 1 by 10. Now, so we observe that as we move from thousands to ones, that means from left to right, the place value of each digit increases 10 times. That is 1 by 10th of its previous value. Now let us observe the place value of a decimal. Here they have given 1732.5 514. As we move from left to right, each place value is 10 times less than its previous value. That means 1 by 10th of previous value. That means thousands, hundreds and tens. Here they have given 1 into 1000 plus 7 into 1000 by 10. If we divide this, then we will get 7 into 100. That means 100 times this 10 goes in 1000, right? So 7 into 100, if we cancel, 100 remains. So 7 into 100 is 700. 1000 plus 700 plus, now 3 into 100 by 10. Now 10 tens are 100. So cancel 100 and remains here 10. 3 into 10 is 30. So write 30. Now plus 2 into 10 by 10. So 10 ones are 10. 2 into 1 is 2. Write 2 here. Now after the decimals, 514 are there. Now how we will write this 514? 5 into 1 by 10. So write 5 by 10 here. Now 1. 1 is in 100th position. Right? So 1 into 10. To explain you here very clearly, 1 by 10 into 1 by 10, that is nothing but 10 tens are 100. So here they have written as 1 by 100. Plus, now this 4. 10th position over, 100th position is over. Now 1000th position. 4 is in 1000th place. So 4 into 1 by 100 into 1 by 10, that is equal to 4 by 1000. So for a decimal, the place value house is thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. After that there will be a decimal point. And after this decimal point, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now how we will read this decimal? 1732.514. Let us observe and learn. Here 3.75. Expanded form for this is 3 into 1 plus 7 by 10 plus 5 by 100. Here what we have done? The position 7 is in which position here? 10th. Right? So we have written 7 by 10. 5 is in 100th position. So 5 by 100. So the next number you see 325.1364. Expanded form if we write 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1 plus 1 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 6 by 1000 plus 4 by 10,000. 4 by 10,000. Here we observe that the first decimal place has 10 in the denominator when written as a fraction. The second decimal place has 100 in the denominator. And the third we have 1000. And in fourth we have 10,000. So in general, the number of zeros in the denominator of the fraction indicates the position of the digit after the decimal point in the decimal place. Right? Now reading a decimal. How we will read this a decimal? See here 75.32 is read as 75.3, 2. Or they will read in another way 75 and 3200th. It is quite difficult to say 100th. So simply we can read it as 75.3, 2. Likewise you read the rest of the numbers. Now come to expanded form. In expanded form here they have given 371.24 is equal to, they have written as 300 plus 70 plus 1 plus 2 by 10, that is position of 2 is in 10th position, right, that is 10th place, plus 4 by 100, 100th position, right, that is 100th place. Likewise you see now 300 plus 70 plus 1 plus 2 by 10 plus 4 by 100. Rest of the sums you read. Now writing a decimal from the expanded form. Now here 3000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 6 plus 3 by 10 plus 4 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. Now they have written expanded form. We have to write the decimal form now. How we will write the decimal form? For this expanded form is 3256.345. 3256.345. Able to see? So rest of the sums you read likewise. Now let us do it here. Complete the table here. See what they are saying. Complete the table. Decimals and read it as. Here 37.21. You will read it as 37.2, 1. And for 46.3, 5, how we will write 46.35. Rest of the sums you do it. Now write in the expanded form and likewise write the decimal forms. You do it on your own. It is as a practice for you. Now come to the converting fractions to decimals. Fractions with denominator as powers of 10. Now let us observe and learn here. Consider the proper fractions. Here for example 3 by 10, 17 by 100, 85 by 1000, 9 by 100 they have given. In the first number 3 by 10, denominator 10 indicates that there is only one decimal place. So we will write it as 3 by 10. So if we divide 3 by 10, what the answer will come? 0.3. In the second number, see 17 by 100, denominator 100 indicates two decimal places, right? So how we will do it? Now divide 17 by 100 means 0.17. Two decimal places we got it here, right? To place the point, we start counting from right to left. See, from right to left we are counting and we are pointing the decimal here. See here. Is it clear? That means 0.17. Now, in the third number, question what they have given 85 by 1000. That means 3 decimal places. That means 85 divided by 1000 is 0.085. We have to read from right to left and give the point. See 580 and then put a point. Then 0 comes. So here next question is 9 by 100. Two decimal places. That is, if we divide 9 by 100, what the answer comes? 0.09. From right to left, count two numbers and put the decimal. Then it comes as 0.09. Now, see here in question number 1, 2, 3, 4, we see that the whole number part is 0. This is because the value of a proper fraction is always less than 1 whole. Now consider the improper fractions. Here they have given the question like 35 by 10, 735 by 100, 1358 by 1000 and 834 by 10. Now we shall see here 35 by 10 is equal to, we know that if we make it as mixed fraction or improper fraction, that comes as 5 by 10. First we have to check the number of zeros in the denominator. How many zeros are there here? Only 0. If it is 10, then from the extreme right, count one step backwards and place the decimal point. That means we will put here 3.5. Now, if it is thousands, then we have to write. That means then from extreme right, count 3 steps back. For example, here 1358 divided by 1000 means how we will write as a mixed fraction? 358 by 1000. Then the answer comes as 1.358. Now if it is in thousands place, then from extreme right, count 3 steps back and place the point, decimal point. Now our answer is 1.358. Now here we observe that if a fraction is improper or a mixed fraction, then there is a whole number part and a fraction part in the decimal number. See here, you know very clearly 735 by 100 means if we write in a mixed fraction 735 by 100, then our answer will come as 7.35. Now in the fourth question also see 834 by 10. How we will write mixed fraction? 83 4 by 10. That means our answer is 83.4.